Hey guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods here, and today we have another package from RJ Bushcraft, and this is the 55-pound one. Hopefully Dell will do his video on his, but yeah, so I'm going to show you what's in the 55-pound box now. Alright, so this is how it comes. Let's just see what's in it, because I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if there's a theme this month. Alright, so first we got a long spoon, and it also has an S-clip on it, priced at £9. We have Highlander first aid kit there. Got another compass, some DEET, got a little cup. I've seen these before, they pop open. That's nice. Alright, what else we got? Camping storage set. Have a mosquito head net. Ooh. Have a nice leather dangler there with a loop for ferro rod. Oh, I got one of these keys for disabled toilets. Paracord bracelet, the survival one. I'll find out why it's a survival one in a minute. Instructions. And that's it. So, just normal paperwork. So this is August's box. And then on here it tells you what you got. So, the compass was £5. Molly first aid kit was 13. Spoon and S-binder is 9. The storage containers was 7. The net was 6. The spray was 8. So total value was £88 on a 55-pound box. Now if I would have went for the 85-pound box, I would have got a bushcraft knife, leather Mora sheath, the compass, the storage box, the folding cup, and everything else, and that's valued at £113. So the value is there, it's just whether you can use the stuff or not. And then you have September's sub specials there.